How to import sketch files into Figma without losing quality. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to open or import sketch files into Figma. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So, beginning with the first thing you need to do is head over to the Figma website and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll land on the home screen, which is your main dashboard for all recent projects, shared files, and templates. Now, let's come towards accessing sketch files. To do this, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on Explore Community. This section has tons of plugins, templates, widgets, and shared files created by designers all over the world. Once you're in the Community tab, go to the search bar at the top and type Sketch. Hit Enter, and Figma will display several resources related to sketch files. These might include templates, plugins, or files that make working with Sketch even easier. At this point, browse through the options and look for a template or file that matches what you need for your project. Take your time. Checking out different options is part of the creative process. After you've found a template that works for you, click on it to open the Details page. Here, you'll see an Open in Figma button. Go ahead and click it. Once you click that button, Figma will instantly import that file into your workspace. It's quick, smooth, and doesn't require any extra setup. And just like that, your sketch file is fully opened and ready to use inside Figma. Now you can edit, customize, collaborate, and work with it just like any other Figma file. With this workflow, mixing Sketch and Figma becomes super efficient, giving you the flexibility to use the best parts of both platforms. That's all for the video.